Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hey, Alhamdulillah. I have three questions for you.
Okay.
Okay. First question about many people thought about Dajjal, but different information. I want question for you. Tell me about the physical and characteristic of the Dajjal that you saw in your dreams, and how strong the Dajjal can affect the human.
What I have seen in my dreams about Dajjal, he is a strong person and have a strong body. His height is about 6 feet and 2 inches. And when he walks no one can stand in front of him. He has some powers, or you can say as magic, wallah alam. Many people think they counter or stand in front of Dajjal, but when they face with Dajjal, their nervous system went down, and they end up with obeying Dajjal. So what I have seen in my dreams, it's better to not to counter or face Dajjal unless the mercy of Allah is and the help of Allah is with him. Dajjal main goal is to control the whole world, and he wanted to everyone to obey him. What I have seen in my dreams, what we saw in the movies, Dajjal can do in reality. That's how much powers he will have. Dajjal show his followers as nice, show them a nice guy, but who don't follow him, he shows them his strong body and cruel face. In one of my dream, Shaitan called him his rich warlord.
There is a lot of information of the Yajuj and Majuj, and some people thought about Gog and Magog. The popular story, they come out of the ground and destroy to the earth. What do you saw in your dreams about Yajuj and Majuj?
I have explained in detail about Yajuj and Majuj. If you have watched this video, you can understand. But I think they are some type of gorillas. Allah told in the Quran, He sent curse on some people and they turned into monkeys. So maybe Allah knows best. Maybe Yajuj Majuj also some kind of curse of Allah. And Yajuj Majuj is always trying to break the wall with their arms and legs, and I think that's why their arms and legs are getting strong. And when they comes, they destroy the many things. In one of my dreams, I saw Yajuj Majuj. It comes from the heights. So maybe they jumped very high in the air. That's why they looks like they are coming from the very height.
Last question. I heard in your dreams about a jet fighter, 3000 jet fighter, and I asked about who is using the black jet fighter. They are professional army like Indonesian army, Malaysian army, Bangladeshi army, and Pakistan army, or just you ordinary people. He can using the planes.
What I have seen in my dreams about black jet fighters, they are very strong jet fighters. I saw them, they are very strong and they have more speed, they have more power, they have more ammo, and they can more damage. And even American military engineers, in one of my dreams I saw even American military engineers got surprised how Pakistan got these black jet fighters. and they are the under control of the leader that time who will lead the country, and Allah knows best who will fly those black jet fighters, but I think they were professionals, and Allah knows best where they come from. Either Pakistan will make them or Allah will send them. Allah knows best.
Okay, Alhamdulillah, thank you for answer my question, and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Jazakallah khair, brother. Walaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Masya Allah.